Hello friends, in this problem you have to find range for a number that is log of 3 on base of 2 and 4 options are given. You have to choose the one option that is the correct option. Now how will you find this range, that is lower bound and upper bound? Now before finding the range you need to know the definition of log so that you can expand this term. So the definition of log says if you have a number a on the base b and if this is equals to c, then from definition of log I can say a is equals to b raised to the power c. So this is the definition. Now let us use this definition to solve this problem. So the number given is log of 3 on base of 2. Let us call this as x. So from definition of log I can say 3 is equals to 2 raised to the power x, or we can also say 2 raised to the power x is equals to 3. So let us find the upper bound. So we will find the upper bound of this number. So what I will do is let us cube both sides. So if you have 2 raised to the power x and raised to the power 3, and this is 3 raised to the power 3, and this is 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. Now here I will use rules of power, that is if you have a raised to the power m, you may remember this rule, a raised to the power m raised to the power n, then this can be written as a raised to the power m times n. That is basically exponent gets multiplied. Now if you use this rule, then you will have this becomes 2 raised to the power 3x and this is equals to 27. Now we want to find the upper bound. So this means this 27, I can find a number that is greater than 27, but it has to be on power of 2. So like it can be expressed as 2 raised to the power something. So this number can be 32. Let us say 32 is greater than 27, and this can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Now you see the advantage of doing all this. The advantage is now I can write 2 raised to the power 3x is less than 2 raised to the power 5. So this means I can say, since the base is same, that is 2 and 2, so I can say 3x is less than 5. Of course, in this case, x has to be a positive number, and this is the case because you see, this is the number that we have, that is log of 2, log of 3 on base of 2. If you consider this of course, this number will be greater than log of 2 on base of 2. And log of 2 on base of 2 is nothing but 1. This means this number is greater than 1. And that's why I can write this inequality. So from here I can say that is x is less than 5 by 3. So this is one bound we have found. Similarly, we can find the lower bound. So let us find the lower bound of this number, that is 2 raised to the power x. So what is my number? We have the same thing, that is 2 raised to the power x is equals to 3. So we have 2 raised to the power x is equals to 3. Now this time a square both sides. So if you square both sides, this will be 3 into 3, 9. Now I have to look for a number. That time I look for a number that is less than, I look for a greater number. Now I am looking for a number that is a smaller number. So for example, I can have a number 8. So I can say this 9 is greater than 8. So this means 2 raised to the power x raised to the power 2, this is greater than 8. And it can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. So I can say 2 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 is greater than 2 raised to the power 3. Now if I multiply these two, so as I said earlier, you can multiply these powers. So if you multiply, we'll have 2 raised to the power 2x is greater than 2 raised to the power 3. This means 2x is greater than 3 because x is a positive number and bases are same. So this means x is greater than 3 by 2. So now I can basically, so this is one inequality and this is another inequality. So I can combine these two inequality, and it is better to show on the number line. So let us say this is the number line you have, and on this number line you have x. So 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So this is 3 by 2, somewhere here you will have, that is 1.5, and this is 5 by 3, that is 1.67, that is somewhere here. So this is 5 by 3. And 3 by 2 you can also write 1 and 1/2, and this you can also write 1 and 2/3. So x should be less than this. So this means x should lie this side. From the first inequality, that is x is less than 5 by 3, this means x should lie this side. And from the second inequality, that is x is greater than this means x should lie this side. So this means which region x will lie? So you can say in this case x will lie in this region. That is x is greater than 1.5, but it is less than 1 and 2/3. So this is greater than 1.5 and less than 1 and 2/3. So this is the answer in this case is B. So B is the right answer for this problem. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, then please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.